Welcome to Aras Handling Equipment, your trusted partner in industrial solutions. Today, we're excited to showcase our game-changing electric forklifts and the cutting-edge innovative solutions that are transforming the way industries operate. At Aras, we understand that efficiency, reliability, and sustainability are key to any business. That's why we've designed our electric forklifts to provide unmatched performance while keeping environmental impact low. Our electric forklifts are equipped with the latest in advanced control systems, making them not only powerful, but also incredibly easy to operate. The result? Seamless control, smooth handling, and maximized productivity for your team. Unlike traditional forklifts, our electric forklifts are powered by advanced lithium ion batteries, offering long lasting power and faster charging times. This means your operations can run longer without worrying about downtime. Let's talk about control. The innovative control systems in our electric forklifts feature user friendly interfaces that allow operators to monitor and adjust performance with just a touch. Whether you're adjusting speed, load handling, or battery status, it's all at your fingertips. At Aris Handling Equipment, we believe in sustainable practices. Our electric forklifts help reduce your carbon footprint, contributing to a greener future without compromising on power or performance. When you choose Aris Handling Equipment, you're choosing innovative solutions that not only meet the demands of today's industry, but also future-proof your business. Visit our website at arsfz.com and discover how our electric forklifts and industrial equipment can revolutionize your business operations.